Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Gmail sync paused. Quick fix step by step clearly. Open the Gmail app on your Android phone. Check the top of your inbox for the sync is currently paused message. Pull down on the inbox screen to try a manual refresh once. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Tap your Gmail account address to open account-specific settings. Tap the checkbox or toggle for Sync Gmail to make sure it is enabled. If Sync Gmail is already enabled, turn it off. Wait 10 seconds. Then turn it on again. Go back to the main settings screen on your phone. Tap Apps or Apps and Notifications depending on your device. Find and open Gmail from the app list. Tap Force Stop to fully close Gmail. Tap Storage and Cache or Storage. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files safely. Return to the previous screen and tap Mobile Data and Wi-Fi or Data Usage. Make sure background data is allowed for Gmail. Also make sure unrestricted data usage is enabled if you have a data saver option. Go back to your phone settings and tap Accounts or Passwords and Accounts. Tap your Google account linked to Gmail. Tap Account Sync or Sync Account. Turn Gmail Sync off. Wait 10 seconds. Then turn it on again. Now open Settings and tap Network and Internet. Turn airplane mode on for 5 seconds. Then turn it off to reset the connection. Confirm you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Go to Settings and tap Battery. Open Battery Optimization or Background Usage Limits. Set Gmail to Not Optimized or Unrestricted so it can sync in the background. Restart your phone to apply all changes cleanly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.